Hi, my name is John Miller and I'm the drummer from UK metal band Scarred by Truth. So I've been playing for about 20 years, since the late 90s in punk bands up to more recently Scarred, who I've been with for about 3 or 4 years. So Scarred, predominantly metal band. I do find that I'm a little harder on heads and sticks than I would be if I was playing other genres, so I've been using Collision's 5AR stick. I find them to be a really good stick. I've come from heavier coated sticks to these guys and I don't feel like I'm getting any loss in power. I do feel like they're light in the hand and they're easy to play, and they're very hard wearing. I've been using this set now for about 3 hours and there isn't really a mark on them, so good sticks overall. Very happy with them. And one of the great things about the Collision business, the brand if you like, is the fact that they're a local, to me, UK business, and the fact that I can buy locally and get such a good product and also be involved with a company with a global reach is fantastic. Really enjoying that at the minute. So the track I'm going to play today is a recent release from Scarred by Truth. It's called Shadows. It was written for a charity album called Mushing the Roof On by UK Thrashers in support of Shelter to help combat homelessness in the UK. So cheers, I hope you enjoy the track, and cheers Collision.
To